Hey guys, it's Riley here again, and I just wanted to make a video real quick while I'm mowing the lawn to kind of just show off my swamp sunflowers. Let's get to it. All right, so if you look all through here, yeah, they got pretty tall so far. Look at that. It's like at least got to be 10 feet in the air. But do I know about measurements? But yeah, if you look closely to them, you see they're just getting ready to bloom, some of them. Yeah, I was fortunate enough to have these when I moved here. And they appear to, this is the second year they've, second year I've been here, and they appear to come back every year. I love it. I hear that the seeds are really edible. Oh, here's one that's blooming right now. So we got a couple early risers. But yeah, just kind of wanted to show you guys that. And I'll try to do more research and let you guys know what happens. But last year they really stayed bloom for about a good couple weeks to a month, and they were pretty nice. But yeah, I just wanted to show those off because I just wanted to give you guys show you what it looks like right now with nothing bloomed. But when these things bloom, it's gonna be crazy. There's so many of them, and I hear that the birds love the seeds, and that the seeds are actually pretty good and may even have medicinal uses. So I'll do research in the meantime, and I'll share this update with you guys when they all get really big. But I remember last year, October was a great year for them. So subscribe, ask any questions, or if you want anything that you want me to look into in particular. Like I said, these are called swamp sunflowers. This is how they look when they're fully bloomed. And this kind of picture, and it looks like there's 3 to 5 bulbs per plant. So picture this is at least at least 100 plants here. It should be pretty awesome. Can't wait to share it with you. Like I said, subscribe, comment if you have any specific questions or anything, and I'll see you guys later. I'm thankful for each and every one of you, and I love seeing each and every view, because I know that maybe I'm helping someone out there either through my mistakes or through just showing you guys a new plan. You guys have a great week.